Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of TikTok's latest viral mysteries, the Group 7 trend. You've probably seen people posting videos saying they're in Group 7, or tagging friends to join in. But what does it actually mean? Let's break it all down. What is the Group 7 trend? The Group 7 TikTok trend is a viral social experiment where users categorize themselves into numbered groups from 1 to 10, each representing different personality types or traits. Group 7, in particular, has caught massive attention because it's often associated with confident, mysterious, and emotionally deep people. Many users post videos or memes jokingly saying, "If you're Group 7, you're different," creating a sense of exclusivity and curiosity. The trend reportedly started in mid-October 2025, when a TikTok user created a post asking followers to find your group based on how you respond to emotional or social situations. Group 7 quickly took off because it was described as the most unique group: mysterious, loyal, introverted, and strong-willed. It evolved into a meme and identity trend, where people now proudly claim their spot in Group 7 through edits, sound clips, and challenges. The appeal of the Group 7 trend lies in its mystery. TikTok users love personality-based content, and the vague but flattering description of Group 7 makes people want to identify with it. Plus, the hashtag number Group 7 has become a digital badge of self-expression, attracting millions of views and sparking new variations like Number Group 7 Challenge. So, to sum it up, the Group 7 TikTok trend is a mix of self-identity, mystery, and community. It's not tied to a specific influencer or brand, but rather a collective idea that makes people feel seen and special. Whether you're actually in Group 7 or not, it's another example of how TikTok keeps turning personality and creativity into viral culture. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest TikTok trends and social media moments.